Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at bills, where you record supply expense and manage what your business owes. A bill ideally represents money your business owes supplier, and we record when you're receiving goods or services that we have not yet been able to pay. We can use a bill for supply invoices, for utilities, office expense, and other services that are related into day-to-day. Even if we've not posted on inventory purchases, we can be able to use a bill. Bills will be under accounting, and then under accounting, when you look at the menu on our left, we'll see bills. In order to create a new bill, we'll just click on add new bill. Once we add new bill, we have a vendor and a list of vendors will be there. So let's say we are purchasing cameras from this vendor. The date, the reference number, maybe the invoice that the vendor sent us, and the memo or any attachment. We can attach the physical copy that was sent. We scan and attach it for purpose of that. So a bill can be one, we are paying off an expense to the client, or we are purchasing an item. For an item, say for instance, we are purchasing under this camera lens, and we're purchasing, say, 10 camera lenses for that. Once we've done the bill, we create save, and the system will automatically create save. Depending on our workflows and approval flows, we would require the bill one to approve. Once the bill is open, we can approve, we can edit, or we can delete the bill. So under this instance, with our workflows, we can approve the payable or approve the bill. Since I am an admin, we have a successful approval. And that's how we create a bill and make an approval for the bill. To do the payments while you're under bills, we can see the bills first. We can auto-approve all, we can back-approve all, or we can pay the bills. And in terms of paying the bills, we come to the vendor, we look at the vendor, say it's Awesomest, and we can say we want all the approved bills for this vendor. Once we have all these approved bills, we can open this bill that is approved. From here, we look at the vendor and what we're paying, and then we can say we are paying the bill. Payment account, use our account, a deposit to the account payables, or whichever account we're going to use. We're going to say the invoice account, invoice item was a travel expense, and even the laptops. All of the total amounts are going to be paid for that. However, we can pay separate amounts or different amounts. So it's a bank payment, you're paying the bill, and automatically say save. And with that, we've managed to pay the invoice for this particular vendor or supplier. So under accounting module, under bills is where we record all our bills. We can filter all the bills that we want to see with the status of paid, and we'll see the bill that we just paid. And that's how we use bills under IXL Core. We'll see you in the next video.